So, dog's girlfriend decided to have puppies underneath this water tank. So I've dug out a fair bit, reached in there, couldn't find her. Dug over here, reached in, couldn't find her. Dug over there, reached in, couldn't find her. Dug here and reached her and find her. So the plan is put the puppies in there, tie up Angel so that she doesn't bite me when I'm going in to get them, and put her in a nice puppy pen inside. There we go. Yeah, I'll use the torch on my phone. So they look all pretty healthy and happy. Just no idea how the bloody hell I'm going to get them all out. She's a good mum. Angel's ready. Box is ready. Just going to figure out how to get all these puppies out. 9 puppies. You've done a good job, Angel. They're all looking happy and healthy. Man, no wonder you're so fat. Let's go find you a new home for them. Come on. So this is where I planned on her having puppies. Good girl, Angel. Hey, you've done a good job.